Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to do the bottom of a cardigan when you're crocheting. And I'm going to be using this yarn. A customer sent me a picture for me to make her daughter a monkey jacket with socks. And I will put the link where I bought the pattern from. It's a written pattern. So I'm going to start with this yarn. I'm sure everyone knows Michael's having a special thing going on. Buy two, get one free. It's like buy one, use the half coupon, but this time you're getting two, and you're getting the third for free. So I checked the pattern, and it looks like I need more gray yarn, so I went and got 3 more. Yeah, so just wanted to show you. I have never tried this yarn. I know that I have tried Bernat satin yarn. It is familiar, but it's more what you call it, it's not satiny than the Bernat satin yarn. So I'm going to use this. It's super soft, that's why I like this yarn. And on the pattern it says to go and buy this yarn, but we don't have that in Canada. So I found the same colors, and I'm going to stick with these, and the customer, she likes it. So we're going to get started on how to, I will put a picture, and if you want to go and buy the pattern, you can go and buy the pattern. But I'm going to do it at one piece instead of doing it front, back, like 2 fronts and 1 back. I'll come and I'll show you this picture. So this is the yarn that I'm going to start with. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the cardigan with the hoodie, as you can see. And so we're going to start doing this part of the cardigan, and I will show you how to do that. But you need to go and buy the pattern if you want to crochet this lovely set with the socks. And I do have a tutorial on how to crochet socks. I will put that link below. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this bottom part. And I'm going to do it in one piece, like with these 2 fronts with the back, because I don't want to sew them. And one piece is way better. Like if you watch my tutorials, you will see that I usually do top down. And if I can figure out, if I have the time with no orders, I'm going to do a top down using these colors. I don't write patterns, so for this pattern, it is sold on Etsy. I bought it from Etsy. I think her name is MJ's Creations or something. I will put the link below, and you can go and buy it from her. And then if you want to do the one piece like I am doing, you are welcome to do it. So let's get started, and I think this looks pretty good, and I will show you how it's done. The elastic part, this bottom part. As you can see, this bottom part, people have lots of difficulties with. I did get lots of comments, requests asking me how to do it. So while I already have starting this cardigan, I said, let me do the tutorial, and people can see how it's done. So let's get started. Just grab the yarn that the pattern suggests, or if you want to do something else, like you can do a hat, crocheting a hat with the same elastic part on the bottom, or like on the socks, you can do the socks too. You can put this on anything you want, and it's just a short tutorial on how to crochet the bottom. So just grab it and let's get started. Okay, the yarn that I'm using is called Off-White, and here is the number on it. And there's no dye lot, it says. So just Off-White if you want to use this yarn. And it's Red Heart Soft. And this is the biggest ball. They do have smaller ones, so I wanted to get the big one so I can make something out of it as well. It's 283, and it's telling me to use a crochet hook of a size 5.5 millimeter. But because I'm doing the elastic part, I'm going to use my 4.5 crochet hook here. Yeah, and I got this from hobby.com, and it was not bad at all. So let's get started. Okay, so I am going to be chaining. Just follow what the pattern says. And I'm going to chain an extra. It doesn't say that on the pattern. So I'm just going to do single crochets on each chain that I have chained. I really like this crochet hook. It goes nice. But usually I do loops, like I do bobbles, and I need to push my yarn further. So that's why I try to stay away with these crochet hooks. But I really like it's nice and goes nice and smooth. Okay. The reason I did one extra chain is because I usually don't do a like even a single crochet. I don't work on the last one because it can ravel frog easily. So I push it tight, then I just leave it, and I will weave that end. I will weave this, and it will be gone. Okay, so it's going to be like this. This is how it's going to look like. So we're going to chain one. This is how I do it. And then instead of going here, we're going to go between here. Just like this. So we're going to go to the back. Like we're not going to work on these two V's that we usually do. So the trick is to give that look is we're going to work on the back, just like this. Yeah, the yarn split. That's not good. I don't like it when the yarn splits on me when I'm working. It's the first time I'm using this yarn. Unfortunately, you don't know what the yarn would be if you order it online, the color. So because of the picture she sent me, I wanted to match what they had. I found this color matching. Oops. Because I'm taping. This is what happens, right? The yarn splits on you. Okay. So we just work on the back just like this, and this is all to it. See? You can make a headband, you know, the headband edge would be like this. I wanted to do the puff stitch hat. I kept on postponing for years. Okay. Usually that's what we do. But I want it to look nice here on the edge. I'm gonna do the two just like this to give it a nice look. Chain one, turn your work. Okay, and then we're gonna go here on the back loop. So we're just gonna crochet like this all the way. So this is the trick. Crocheting on the back loop to give that nice edge look. See, this is popping in front of you, and same when you turn your work, it would pop on the back. Okay, so here I'm gonna crochet these two that I see because I want the edge to look good. Oh, I think I went between. Let me just grab this here. Yeah, this yarn is splitting like Burnett satin yarn does. See? Just grab the two and you just crochet. Chain one, and this is how it looks like when you chain your work. This is how it looks like when you turn your work. just go into the first V but on the back loop. That's how you grab it. Just like this. So continue crocheting and I will show you. I'll do a couple of more rows and I will show you how it's going to look like. Okay, so I have crocheted a couple of rows and this is how it looks like. You crochet it like this. And then when you're starting to build up your cardigan or your hat, whichever you're making this, or even mittens, that you can make it on the mittens here, and then continue picking up stitches here and then go from there. So I just wanted to show you how to crochet this because I've been getting so many comments about this, how to make the elastic part, the edging, and this is how it's done. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 rows so far. So I'm going to follow the pattern and I'll do my changing, of course. And I will go from there. If you want to buy this pattern, you're welcome to go and buy it on her name. Oh, I lost it. Just opened it here and I lost it again. Yeah, it's called MJ's. And I think she has a Ravelry. Yeah, Ravelry on Ravelry to MJ's Off the Hook Designs. Yeah, I usually don't buy pattern, but the customer, she paid me to, so why not? I bought it for her and I'm going to make the cardigan for her child. She's 2 years old. Yeah, there's, I always have following patterns I have problems with the sizing. Like it doesn't say here what sizing it is. It says the child's socks. So it is pretty confusing. So I'm just going to use my judgment and go from there. And but thank God she put the measurements on the chest and so on, so I can follow up with that. And I don't like asking questions. She says, ask me questions, but I don't like asking questions because I don't have the time to, you know, send a message and wait for the reply. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll see how long it's going to take. And on my Ravelry, I will put this, how it's going on. I think there's a total of 16 projects. In 89 queues it says, so I will add mine as well on this. And if you want to join me, let me see if I can. It's my legal name, Ravelry.com, and my legal name is F-E-R-I-D-E. Yeah, I opened it in 2010. Let me just move this and show it to you. Oops, sorry, got tangled here. Okay, where are we? Okay, here we are. This is my Ravelry. Here I am. Okay. That's me with the camera. Okay, I usually don't, I always forget about Ravelry. So that's my legal name. And if you want to go Ravelry.com, that's my Ravelry. If you want to friend me or add me, you're welcome to do that. Yeah, I have my projects here. And if I don't forget, I will add this pattern. And this will be one of my projects that I'll be working on, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, this is just a little short tutorial. I just wanted to show you how this is done. And it's easy and simple, but it's a trick. Yeah, there's so many tricks that you grab the 2 instead of the 1 when you're doing the back loop. So it gives you that nice edge, just like this. So it looks nice. It looks like nice and professional. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and I really appreciate all the comments that I'm getting. People are emailing me. They found my email address. It's very easy, but it's a long one. You can copy and paste it if you go on to my About section on YouTube. I'm everywhere. I have Facebook, I have Instagram, I have YouTube, I have Etsy. I'm all over. I'm a very pretty busy gal. And subscribe to my channels, and please share it with your families, and happy crocheting.